Hello everyone, welcome back to my third day of adventure. I'll be spending my third night on top of here. I'm genuinely absolutely blown away. So basically where I am, this is Glencoe in Scotland. I've just walked through King's House, so I'm at the path. I'm going to head up the river Ettif, which goes away into the hill there, around the back of this. I can just swing round a bit and you'll see the big famous Pecoraro moor. So my plan tonight is, or today, is to climb this and pitch up and get a good sunset over the Pecoraro hill. So that's the plan. We'll start hiking and we'll keep you updated. So hopefully you can hear me. There is a breeze, so apologies if it's buffering the sound. Just in the background there, Pecoraro moor. So many pronunciations that people say, so yeah. So I've kind of left this one a little bit later in the day. It's back at 4 o'clock, half 4. It probably is. A couple of hours climb here. The reason I left it late is because the heat of the sun has actually been scorching up here. So I thought, replenish my water, have a wee drink at the stop down the bottom, and just take it easy. There's not much to do up there, so I don't have any rush to be up there. So it's this is a gathering in the views video, looking across to Pecoraro moor. And already it's not the greatest track, so it's a bit boggy. So it's hard going. And sort of, yeah, the third day, so it'll be my first, as I said before in the first video. Getting back into it after having COVID is not great. I'm not toiling, I've just get out of breath a wee bit quicker. But we shall plod on, there's no rush. Enjoyment, that's what it's about, enjoyment. So we'll get up a wee bit further and we'll see where we are with the views. was just down the bottom here somewhere, over the edge. I've come up here, there's no path whatsoever. All I can say is there is rock and tufty grass, which is actually making it a bit better than what it would normally be. It's not, in other areas there's marshy, tussocky, all that ground. But I've hit this point and I don't know if to, I'm less inclined to go up that way and then cut up. I'm thinking more this way and then up the sort of ridge edge, which would take me up to the top. I don't know if you can see that because of the sun. But yeah, I mean that's not the top there by any means, but it's a good start. Once I get that point, I'll be a bit more happy. What a view. What a view. Making progress. I've hit a path on and off. It's not the best of paths. I've found a footprint as well, so there has been life up this side. Hopefully this view's opening up some good views for you. This is a new part that I've never been up. Drove past it many times and yet again thought it's a bucket list job, so let's tick it off. So here we are. So I can see a sort of ridge up there, probably 100 or so yards just in front of me there. So that'll be the next sort of point, and we'll assess again. But just need a bit of a breeze. There was midges starting to come out there, so it's nice in the face. Cracking views of the hills again, just opposite of this side. Can't wait to get up there just to see what it is, what it's like. And yeah, still blue skies, promising for a good sunset as well of some sort. Oh, jeans. Well, I'm just trying to duck down out of the wind here, so hopefully it's not interfering too much. Finally made it. Trig Point. I have the most spectacular views from this point. So you'll see that in the panoramic video. I have Chrulaiste Moor just in front of me there. Kinloch Leaving will be over the back, and over the back of that will be Beinn Nevis, away in the distance somewhere. As I said before, the back of me there as well that I've just climbed up, which was a fair climb. We have the Rannoch Moor. Back that way is Glencoe, which is absolutely stunning. Low cloud, but stunning. So I'm going to try and, I don't think there's going to be a great sunset tonight because it's still cloudy, but there's a little bit back the way that I spied that I could set the tent up. It's pretty flat, maybe not as windy, and hopefully, fingers crossed, I will get a sunrise in the morning. Hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'll get some of these banana chips down my neck, some water, and let's get this tent up. finally made it. And just in the last 5 minutes, the wind's died down. I have the perfect spot. There is a couple of rocks underneath the grass here, but this is just stunning. Chrulaiste moor. I absolutely love that. Love it. I haven't climbed it yet, but I would love to. Something I'm going to look into. I have Glencoe just up the back. Seen the trig point, and the views are just to die for. Can't wait till sunrise in the morning. In fact, I should wait, because I'm enjoying this at the moment. So I want to enjoy my time here. But I'm looking forward to the sunrise in the morning, hopefully. I don't think we're going to get a great sunset tonight, just due to the cloud. But it might cast some shadow over the Rannoch Moor there. So I'm all set up, tent's all up, comfortable. My feet are great, my back's aching. Carrying plenty of water up that hill. I think it was a fair hike. But anyway, kettle on and dinner time as well. Cup of tea. So I thought I'd just take advantage of me just having a cup of tea. Just to see what I'm seeing. Here's a plug for you. If you've never done this before, give it a bash. Because I think the majority of wild campers will probably agree that it does take you into a different world of probably not reality, but it gives you that breathing space. That's more what it is. It's breathing space and the views, and it doesn't really matter what you do. So if you climb a hill, if you plan to climb a hill and you can't, and you just stop somewhere else, that's okay. I can't even explain it. It's just an amazing feeling. And yes, this is decent weather. This is Glencoe. It just about rains 360 all year. It just about rains all year. I think they get a day off. I think today's the day it's not raining. I'm just mesmerised with what I can actually see from here. Scotland's a big place, and we're never going to see it all. And if I can show you a little bit of what I'm doing, it might encourage you to come up here and do the same. And if you do that, brilliant. Well, I'll finish my cup of tea and let you admire this view for a bit, and I'll get my dinner on shortly. So tonight's menu is something to eat, and we have chicken tikka with rice. So water's boiling, and can't wait to try it. And lo and behold, the sun's out as well. So yeah, it's all working out. And we just top this up. Every one of them comes with this little sachet. So takes out the moisture in the actual food, so make sure you remember and take these out. I was normally eating with a normal spoon, so one like this. I mean, it's a wooden spoon, but you're not getting into the corners very well. So bought myself one of these Sea to Summit spoon as well, funny enough, and it gives you just plenty of room to get into the corners and mix your food up. So without sticking your hands down halfway down the packet. Seal it back up. As it is. Sit that there. Sit that there for 8 minutes. Time has come. And what a better place to try it with the backdrop. So, it smells pretty decent. It's quite a thick mix. Looks alright. Oh, that is good. 528 calories in this. So if you're going heavy trekking, you need a good meal. Even the spoon's brilliant. I've seen a couple of people with them, and I always wondered where you get them and what they were for, but I came across this looking for something else. And there you go. So this is a chicken tikka with rice. It feels quite bulky once it's all ready to eat. So that even feels like a substantial meal. Well, you don't want to see me eating this all night, so can't breathe. I'll finish up, and we'll take a wander up onto the summit there, up to the trig point, and see what shots we can get. Not promising anything because it is quite misty that way. Best views are kind of east. Well, after the sunny afternoon we've had, and the mist was rolling in and out, and in and out, it's finally stayed in. So, probably got a visual of about 100 yards here. So, as you can see nothing. That's wild camping for you. You can't predict it. But hey, means you get a night in the tent. So. Good morning everyone. I've had no sleep. The mist came down last night to spoil the sunset, so I got nothing. But all that has paid off, because this is the most stunning, breathtaking morning I have ever genuinely had. I'm going to let you enjoy it. What can I say, guys? What can I say? Make your own mind up, guys. I'm genuinely absolutely blown away. I cannot believe that my whole 3-day wild camping has ended on this beautiful morning, and it's actually taking my breath away. Every minute, every second changes. Absolutely stunning. I'm so genuinely lost for words. I'm kind of just fumbling about here. But in this moment in time, I'm appreciating absolutely every second here. This is so worth everything. After watching the sunrise, it was time to go back to the tent to get my breakfast and a cup of tea, and the mist rolled in. The mist's still not lifting completely this morning, but it's still amazing to be in this bubble. So that's it for this morning. So the plan is rucksack's packed. I'm just going to pack up the tent and head up over the top, back up to the trig point and back down the other side towards the Devil's Staircase, then back down onto the main track and then along. Thanks very much for joining me in this journey. A 3-day journey of wild camping in 3 different locations. This has probably been one of the best camps I've been on, simply for the views and the stunning sunrise this morning with the mist, and it totally makes up for not having a good sleep whatsoever. But that's what we do it for. It's a hit or a miss. From Glencoe in Scotland, I shall see you on the next adventure.